In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can earn thousands of dollars every single month using the platform Fiverr. Now, for this method, you don't need any skills or experience, and the tools I'm going to share with you in this video will make it incredibly quick. Now, Fiverr is an awesome platform to use, but you can also use what I'm going to share with you on other freelancing platforms as well to try and earn more money with this. So please make sure you watch the video to the end, because by the end of this video, you'll know how it works, the different resources that you can use to fast track this entire method, and all being well, you'll be able to get something, up and running today. And now look, if you don't like this method and what I'm going to share with you today, check out the links down below. There's lots more free resources down below for you. So let's go ahead and jump into this, and I'll walk you through this method to make money on Fiverr. Okay, so let's go ahead on Fiverr straight away. So this is the platform Fiverr. Now, if you don't know about this, it's basically a freelancing website whereby you can put up these listings here, what are known as gigs, and you can earn money for doing so. Now here, I've just typed in copywriting, and please, if you don't worry about this, because you're not going to need to spend a lot of time with this, and you definitely don't need any experience with this. So if you just come down here, these are the current services that people are listing on Fiverr. So you see this one here, look, I will copyright your Facebook ads to supercharge sales, starting at £38 because I'm in the UK. This one over here, look, starting at £68. Come further on the page, look, I will solve all of your copywriting needs, etc, etc. So if I go into any one of these, let me just go into this one. And what happens on Fiverr is whenever you click on anything, it opens up, a new article for you. So this example here, look, so this lady over here, I will write content for your business. She will write 300 words at the price of £68. So that's about $80. For $80, we'll get 300 words of SEO optimized content for your blog. So in this example, SEO stands for search engine optimization. 300 words, it's not a lot for this amount of money, but this is the basic package. If I click on standard, it's now £91. And if I click on premium, a 1,000-word article over on here is £152. It's a lot of money, isn't it? So if I come over here, so for this search term up here, this copywriting, we will have people who will write search engine, but basically they'll write blog articles for us and content. We've got people who will do Facebook ads, and if we scroll further down the page, it's all very similar really. Keep coming down the page here, look, I will deliver copywriting that sells, search engine optimization, unique sales ads, and lots more. If I come back up here, I'll show you one last one. So let's just click on this one here. I mean, look at this. It's currently got 9 orders in the queue. So what will you get here? So for £38, one exclusive Facebook ad copy and a bonus to attract customers. So it will basically write a Facebook ad copy. We've then got standard and we've also got premium. Okay. So there's some examples for you. Now, let's come over onto Facebook really quickly, and I'll show you what an ad is. So you see here, I was just scrolling through my Facebook feed, and you can see this here, Big Little Tent Festival. So this is someone who has basically created this ad here. They've put in, this is known as ad copy here, so text. They've put this on here, and then they're paying Facebook to promote this post. And, a lot of people outsource, as you can see over here, a lot of people outsource these Facebook ads for them, because they don't know how to write copy and other bits that they might not even understand how Facebook works or anything. So how can we make use of this service over on Fiverr, this copywriting service? So blogs and Facebook ads and lots more. Well, for this we use this piece of software over here, and it's called Conversion. And look, I'm going to drop a link to this down below for you, and you can see here you can actually go ahead and try this for free for 5 days. So if you like this method and you want to give it an attempt, then go ahead and check this out, because it's absolutely free. And for the 5 days for this, you can go ahead and it will create 10,000 words for you. So yeah, I'm just trying to see if it says on here about the actual 10,000 words, but it is. It allows you 10,000 words with this method here. And then after that, it goes on to a monthly payment. But let me show you inside of this piece of software here, because I've been trialing and testing this, and it's pretty cool. So if I come in here, this is inside of the software. And you can see over here, select a template to get started. So if we go back over to Fiverr, so like this lady here, you remember she will write for us 300 words for £68. Okay? So how would you do this? So we'd come over here. into the templates. Now you see here, we've got a blog. This lady, see here, blogs. So if I come over here, I click on blog, and I've got all of these templates here. If I go over here to ads, look, I can also do Facebook ads. I can do Google ads. There's lots more I can do in here. I could do e-commerce ads. So you see this here, Amazon product description. Let's go ahead and have a look on Fiverr if anyone's selling this. So let's just type in Amazon product description. See if this is a listing over on Fiverr. Look at this. This is another one. Look, I will write kick-ass Amazon product description. Well, guess what? You can do this inside of here. Look, it will write it for you. But if we come back over here, let's just go into blog as an example. And you use these templates, and by the end of using these templates, you have a pretty decent article. So let's just come in here and I'll show you how this works. So if I come over in here, now what will happen here is, you see this is a blog post topic idea, and you can see brainstorm new blog post articles that will engage readers and rank well in Google. This is the most important part, rank well over on Google and the search engines. So you just go through and you fill in these, these different prompts down here, and then you click on generate AI content. So if I come back over here, go to dashboard, go back into blog, scroll down here. So let's just have a look at blog post outline. And you can see I've been using this software for a number of weeks now. So how this method would work is you would put your service or your listing over on Fiverr here. And you just literally all we do on here is we create an account and we upload these here are known as gigs. And this is free to do, by the way, over on Fiverr. So you create an account and you put up a gig on here. And then when somebody purchases one of these these gigs over here, you then literally use this piece of software over here for this. Now, I'll also drop a link below for you over to this video here. This is a really good video because I was doing a bit of research for making money on Fiverr. I came across this Mike Nardi over on his channel, and he was sharing here, you can see how he currently, well, this was over a year ago nearly, how he makes over $3,000 a month as a Fiverr copywriter with no experience. And this is a great video, he walks through everything he did to get up to $3,000 a month. But if I come over here, let's just go back into the different templates. Let's just go into blog. So we'll come down here. So I'll just give you a really brief example of this. So let's just say we was wanting to do an article for, I don't know, over on my blog, my Not Taught at School. So we'd put in company name, and look, all this information here, you would get this from the seller, from the buyer, sorry, over on Fiverr. Not Taught at School. Product description. So you see here, basically this is going to be an idea. So let's just say we're looking for something to, I don't know, make money. Sorry, my spelling today is atrocious. Make money online and from home. Okay, and then we click on audience. So who is our audience going to be? So let's just go with moms and dads, for example. For now, tone of voice, I can put this in witty, I can put this excited. There's many more formats that I can put in here if I wanted to. If I quickly show you this, let me just click on show more. See here, look, you can go through all of these different tones of voices. There's some examples there for you. If I come down here, you can even input people's name or characters' names into here. And then if you go further down and you want more different, ideas, then you can go ahead and check this out. So let's just go with, we'll go with excited for this example. So we'll come over here, and I've already put that in. And then you see down here where it says output. So I'm just going to put this to 2 and click on generate AI content. And it just takes a second. And then look, so this is our blog post topic idea. So look, 7 marketing tips for starting a business online. You don't need to work for the man anymore, and why your boss is trying to keep you from this. So if you like these, then you can use these. If you don't, you just simply click on generate more, and it will give you more topic ideas. Look, how to make this, the best ways to make money from home. But let me go with this one here. So this here would be our topic idea. Now remember, we would be getting our topic idea from the person over on Fiverr. So if we come back over here, we'll go into blog. So let's now go into blog post into paragraph. And you can see again, look, I've been using this myself. It creates decent content on here. So company name, so again, we'll go with Not Taught at school. Audience, so again, we're just going to put this to moms and dads. And then blog post title, I'm going to paste that title into there. So let me just do that. And then click on generate AI content. And it just takes a second. I'll just scroll this up here, look. So look at this here. It's just awesome, isn't it? So it's taken our keywords from everything we've put in here. So you've always wanted to be a stay-at-home mom, sorry, but the idea of staying at home with the kids, and look. So this here would form part of our blog article. So if I come down here and paste that into there, come back over here, come down here and have a look at this here. So I could take this as well, look, 16, so again I'd take that there. So that there, you can see how quickly this is starting to work. So take that over there. Now I'm going to go over here into the dashboard and I'm going to the blog templates on here. And then we'll come down here. And look, I can go around with, the title, the meta description. I can go over into, lots more. If I wanted to go into the content improver, for example. So, if I didn't like any part of this up here, so I could take this, I could copy this, come back over here, paste that into there, click on generate AI content, and then it will literally give me another piece of text that I can use. So I could take this over here, and I could copy this, and then literally I just paste this into my notepad. And this is how this whole process works. So you're forming a blog article just by going into these templates here and using them. And it's really simple, as you've seen. You just put in a few different keywords and then it creates the content for you. And it's the same over here if you go into the ads, or if you go into anything you're going into, it just asks you for, you see, a product name, description, tone of voice, and you go through this. Now the other thing I want to quickly show you is, if I come down here, you see where it says learn? Let me show you this. Come down here, look, there's a huge learning facility inside of here. So they've got videos, they've got step-by-step guides, there's a Facebook group which is absolutely free. So let me just click on here, I'll click on. Now this inside of here is absolutely awesome. So if I scroll down here, look, we've got join the Facebook group, how to get started in minutes, email support, and lots more. But here's some cool things. Now let me just scroll down and show you this. Look, use cases. So people are using this software and also sharing it. And there's lots more training in here. So how to crank out mind-blowing content, step-by-step for writing and publishing a book on Amazon. There's lots in here, but look, writing a blog post. So if I click on here, scroll down here, look, pick a topic, make an outline, intro into a paragraph, come further down the page here, and it just walks you through the whole process of using these templates. It's an absolutely awesome piece of software and it works incredibly quick. If I come further on the page here, you see where it says community examples. These are different things what people have shared over in the Facebook group, and look, I'll drop a link to that as well below for you because that's free to join. So if I come over here, let me just go to, where's the one I wanted to show you? No. Long form marketing content. So if I click on here, scroll further on the page, look, again, it walks you through the process, but that wasn't the one I wanted to show you. It was, I think it was this one. No, it wasn't this one. I can't find it now, but it was basically somebody had gone ahead and created, oh, here it is, sorry, right long form. So look here, this took 1 hour and 12 minutes. Scroll further on the page, and look, they've literally gone through this process here and they've written a complete full blog article using this software, and it's pretty cool. So you can go through and have a look at other ideas what people have used inside of the software. But look, overall, you can use this piece of software here to make money over on Fiverr. You can use it for Amazon product descriptions, you can use it for blogs, you can use it for Facebook ads, and you can use it for, another one you could do, and I use this a lot, is this one here, YouTube script. So look on here, look, I will write a top-notch video script, another one, many more of these. And again, inside of the software over here, we just go to dashboard, come down to video, and look here, we have a video script outline, topic ideas, titles, script hook, and lots more. So that's today's video. I'll drop links to everything below for you, but look, go ahead, check it out for free. You can see it has lots of testimonials on this. People love it, they're using it. I mean, I'm using it and I'm recommending this. I'm using it for my own blog, I'm also using it for my YouTube niche channels, and lots more. But overall, it's a great little method to make money, and you can get started with this for free. After the free 5-day period, it goes on to a monthly payment, and then you just decide whichever one you want, because there's a number of different prices depending on where you want to start with the actual output. So look, that's today's video. If you found it useful, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.